Hello everyone, this is a quick guide on how to back out to the title screen in Crimson Desert. Right, let's begin by opening the Others menu. Do so by pressing the escape key or the menu key and then go up one menu point to go to Others, and then release the menu or the escape key to actually enter it, or what's more, I guess, easy, press down the menu key or the escape key for about a moment, and then this will automatically put you into your latest menu, and then navigate to Others and Options. Right, from there, you can simply select Title Screen to back out to the title screen, then hit Confirm. This might take a moment, but you should be put back to the title screen, as you can see. I will wait for a moment for it to load, but essentially that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.